Do you need quick and seamless support for your Juniper products and services? Welcome to the Global Search video. In this video, you will learn how to use the Juniper Government Support Portal's Global Search feature to find content, such as cases and contract information, related to your account. You begin your search by clicking the Search button, represented by a magnifying glass. By default, your search results are displayed on the All tab. You can view the list of suggestions under the Search option to complete the query. Enter the text completely to get the desired results. The Global Search feature helps you find answers to support-related queries on cases, RMAs, assets, service contracts, and knowledge. You can improve your search on the Knowledge section using the article title, article record type, ID, last updated, alert type, impact, and severity level. You can roll over a link from the search results to view a preview of the page, or click the link to view the detailed information. You can view the affected product or series of related articles at the bottom of the page. You can use the buttons above this section to perform further actions. If you want to subscribe to an article, click the Subscribe button. The Print button enables you to download a printable version of the article. The Report a Security Vulnerability button allows you to report a security vulnerability. Click the Back button to return to the previous screen. The Cases tab provides separate filters to search cases based on their case number, priority, status, account name, and summary. On the RMAs tab, you can filter the search results using the RMA number, validation number, status, account, case number, serial number, product, created date, company name, and city. Similarly, on the Assets tab, you can view the results based on the search. You click the Service Contracts tab to view the results based on the search keyword. You can also click the Problem Report or PR tab to filter the search results based on severity level, status, and product, and view a detailed report. Click the Preview option below each PR to view the details of the problem within the current browser window. The Product Documentation tab lists the results. You can click a result to view the Juniper documentation. The Juniper Support Portal is designed to enhance your support experience so that you can find all your required information quickly and easily. We are excited to have you join us on our support journey.